Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix battery saver active warning message. So in order to fix this issue, you first need to understand the battery saver active warning message usually appears on a vehicle's dashboard when the car's electronic system detects a low battery voltage. So here are some of the fixes that you can try. First of all, you just have to check and charge the battery. So you need to make sure that all the electronics in your car like the lights, radios, air conditioning are turned off. Then you need to locate the car's battery and ensure the battery terminals are clean and tightly connected. If they are corded, clean them using a battery terminal cleaner or a mixture of baking soda and water. Use the battery charger to charge the battery fully. Connect the charger to the battery terminals, positive to positive and negative to negative. Then plug the charger into a power source. Allow the battery to charge completely. This might take a few hours. After charging, test the battery with a multimeter to ensure it is holding a proper charge. So this was the first method that you can try. If this method doesn't work for you, then you can try to inspect the alternator. For that, you need to turn on the engine and use a multimeter to check the voltage at the battery terminals while the engine is running. It should read between 13.7 and 14.7 volts. If the voltage is below 13.7 volt, the alternator might not be charging the battery properly. So consider having the alternator tested and if necessary replaced by the professional mechanic. If this method also doesn't work for you and if everything is great, then still you are facing the problem, then you can check the parasitic draw. For that, you need to ensure that the car is completely turned off and the keys are removed from the ignition. Then you need to use a wrench to disconnect the negative cable from the battery. Then you need to set your multimeter to measure current in the amps and connect it in series between the negative battery terminal and the negative cable. A typical parasitic draw should be less than 50 milliamps. So if it is higher, then there may be an electronical component draining the battery. So to find the source, start pulling fuse one at a time and check the multimeter reading after such fuse is pulled. When the reading drops significantly, you have found the circuit causing the drain. So once identified, you need to repair or replace the component causing the excessive drain. So by following these methods, you should be able to easily resolve the issue of battery saver active warning message. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.